Hey guys, welcome back. It's Naomi Sarah here, and today I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. I am going to be starting a 1-month rice water challenge starting in the month of December. So if you guys are interested in joining that or you want to learn how I'm going to do that, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. So pretty much the purpose of this challenge is to gain as much hair growth as I can during the month of December. As you guys have seen in some of my previous videos, I have been doing a lot of rice water treatments on my hair. I've also been getting pretty serious with my protective styling and my moisture retention routine as well. So I have decided to incorporate all of that into this rice water challenge so that I can see some real growth this month. So if you guys want to join my challenge, leave a comment below. The rules of this challenge are very simple. You pretty much just have to use rice water at least once a week. And so if you only use rice water on your wash days, then you can join my challenge as well. But me personally, I will be trying to incorporate rice water into my routine as much as possible throughout the week. So that means that I will be using my rice water every other day to moisturize my hair when I'm doing my LOC method and my protective styles. Yeah, I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be adding in my rice water and my deep conditioners and my shampoos and stuff like that, and alternating throughout the weeks. If you guys want some ideas on how you can incorporate rice water into your routine as well, I will link some of my previous videos in the description box and up above, so make sure you check those out if you have not seen them already. So like I said guys, I'm really going to try to wear my protective styles every week throughout the entire month. I have not always been a protective style person. I usually love to do my wash and goes, but this winter I'm really trying to protect my ends because those are the parts that are the most damaged. They are the oldest part of my hair, so I really want to take care of them so that they don't break and so that I can also see some real length retention this winter. So like I said guys, this was just a really quick video just to update you guys and let you know that this challenge will be starting soon. I will come back and do a before video to show you guys the length that I'm starting with on the 1st of December. And then at the end of December, or maybe January 1st, I will do an update to show you guys the length that I managed to achieve throughout the month. Make sure you guys subscribe so that you don't miss that. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well so that you will be notified when I upload that video. Over the next week, I will be uploading a whole bunch of videos on different ways you can incorporate rice water into your routine. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of those videos, and the notification bell as well so that you know exactly when they are live. So that's it for this video guys. I'm really excited to start this challenge with you. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to join the challenge and how much you are using rice water right now and how much you think you will be able to use it in December. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.